Alright guys, what is going on guys? It's projects for codes here, for coders here. And in today's video guys, I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys how to print in C++. So when you guys want to open up any IDE that you guys would like. So I'm going to be opening up Visual Studios. I'm going to start a new project and then I'll just call it C++ TT toot. Now from here guys, I go empty project. I always like empty project, a little bit easier. Once it loads up here, alright, okay, so it's loaded up. So you guys are going to want to click anywhere, whatever IDE you guys are going for. You're going to want to go to the source file, add a new item, and just make it a C++ file. So here guys, the first thing you guys always want to do is go to put hashtag include IO string. Next, you're going to want to put using namespace std, and then you're going to put the dot and comma at the end. So once you guys are started here, now you're going to want to create your main file. So ints main, open parentheses, brackets, and on the bottom you're going to want to put return 0, end it off, and then on top of that guys, you're going to want to put system and then put pause. So you can put double quotes, put pause in the middle, spell the word pause, and that's it. That pretty much won't that'll make your program not stop and get out of the command prompt. So now what we're gonna do is you pretty much came here to see how you could print in your command prompt. So if you guys want to see something, display something, you're gonna want to put C out, 2 greater than signs, or the parentheses. And so you type whatever you want. So put like hello world. That's pretty much it. And at the end of this, you're gonna put 2 ends, 2 big greater thans, and then end line. Now if you wanted to put something else, you could type it again. I could put here, I'm gonna put YouTube. YouTube and that. Now depending on what IDE you're using, for Visual Studios you would use the Control F5 and it would run your program. But here I'm going to show you, so you would want to go to debug, and so right here the shortcut would be Control F5. So you want to do it without debugging. And you want to say, is this project is out of date? Would you like to build it? You would put yes. Now it's gonna run through the whole process. And there you go, guys. It's right here. It says hello world YouTube. Press any key to continue. So if you wanted to fix that so that YouTube could have its own separate line, you would put end line. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how pretty much you guys display on with C++ in an IDE. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below, and just leave a like, guys. This has been Projects for Coders here, and I'm out.